I think there's this misconception that you've got to be all singing or dancing to be a foster carer, and it's just not true. I mean, most of the foster carer friends that we've got, they're just ordinary people that can just offer a child a home and love. You can come from any background, any walk of life. You'll be surprised, and those skills that you didn't think you have them when you need to use them. I'm Cath, and I'm a foster carer with Foster Wales Wrexham.
I'm Neil, I'm a foster carer with Foster Wales Wrexham.
So one of Foster Wales TV adverts is based on our experience, what we can bring to the table as foster carers with our local authority. We lay the table in the morning, because for some children, meal time can be either non-existent or be very erratic. Maybe they've not had a regular meal, they've not known how to sit round a table and just have family time. You're showing the child that they're important and they're part of your family table, and also they just know there's going to be a meal coming.
The table represents the family unit in a way. There is a spot in this family for you, and it's just a stability thing for them, because that's what perhaps they've lacked in the past.
I don't know, it's just where you can sort of start to build more and more relationships. You get to know each other better, and when you're sharing, there's something quite intimate and personal about sharing a meal together. It's something quite beautiful, really. Local authority fostering has provided us with so much more support than I think we could have expected, really. The training that you get and the support that you get as well.
But social workers are always
there on hand.
fantastic.
We have a monthly foster carer coffee morning, don't we, where there's a group of us that all meet together, and we've really formed very, very strong friendship groups. You're treated with that respect, because at the end of the day, you're all working for the same aim, aren't you? To help this child succeed.
We took a young man to Rill for a Sunday afternoon. He'd never seen the sea before. And his face, just to see this new experience, and we just stood there and went, wow, you know, it was just so wonderful. A seagull ate his sausage roll. It made his day. It was the best thing that could possibly happen.